Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to share YouTube video on Instagram story. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to copy YouTube video link. So for that I just open my YouTube application. Okay guys, after open my YouTube application you need to select your video which one you want to share on your Instagram story. So for that, like, I want to share this video, so I click on this three dot beside this video and there have option share. Select it. Now you can see copy link, so copy it. Now cut it. Okay, now you need to open your Instagram application. After open that, and now at the top you can see your story option. Select it. Now you can select any video from, you can select any photo from here. So I simply select this photo, and now I need to go on the top. There have a option sticker icon. You can see, select this sticker. Now scroll and you can see there have a option link. You can see there have a option link, so just open it, and after opening it there have a option for URL. You just paste your YouTube video link, then done it. Now there you can see this is YouTube link. You can replace it anywhere, so I just do it here, and now click on this arrow on the bottom, then your story, then share it. That's it. Now done. Now there you can see it's uploading. Now it's completely uploaded, so open it. You can click on this link, you can visit this link. Now your video going for opening. So there you can see youtube.com. So guys, in this way you can share YouTube video on Instagram story very easily. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.